Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to stop Windows from automatically updating. So to start, please open your Windows search bar and please type update and security. So there is an option here to check for updates. Please click it and then a window will open. Here you'll see the Windows Update option and for you to check for updates. So all you have to do to stop the Windows updates is to click on Advanced Options. Here you'll see options to pause updates. Here you can pause updates for up to 7 days by clicking this option here to select date. This will give you more control over when updates are installed. And that's it. You now know how to stop Windows from automatically updating. These settings give you more control over when and how updates are installed. Remember, while it's essential to keep your computer updated for security reasons, these settings allows you to customize the update experience to better suit your needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tutorials like this. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to stop Windows from automatically updating. See you on my next video.